very tough man to see the protection of the forest and also to protect the environment. I know his mind. Once I met him for a specific issue, the stand he has taken, I must congratulate. You have taken a very tough stand to protect the forest. I am grateful. Sir, I am not going to take, it is a vast subject. We can speak hours together. It is one interlinking, not only the forest, irrigation and wildlife and the medicinal plants, so many things can be brought in this particular bill. I know that a very able minister has been given the responsibility by the Honorable Prime Minister to handle this subject. Sir, coming to the point, now there are major issue. The Karnataka government unnecessarily blame we MPs. I am also a single MP with NDA. Yes, they are unnecessarily blaming. These people are not going to raise their voice for Karnataka. Sir, actually, some of the projects which were sanctioned during the period of Bharatiya Janata Party when it was in power. Sir, these people had made so many mistakes. The Auditor General of India has given a very strong report against the government, the present government, how they have handled the project. Sir, Yachinode project, a project which has been sanctioned by the Bharatiya Janata Party when Jagdish Shettar was the Chief Minister for 8,000 crores. Now they have enhanced it for 30,000 crores. The project has not reached even one town. Let it not be come to Chimbalapur, Kolar or Tumkur. It has not reached even my home district, Arsikere. That is the position. I can speak volume. Sir, I don't take much of your time. You cautioned me. Similarly, this, what is called Mekedatu. I know that. Being a former Prime Minister, Irrigation Minister, I know the subject. On one side, the forest land is going to be submerged. Sir, the elephants, every day there is a death. He will get the report every day. Not a single day left in one village or the other village in my home state, Chikmagalur, Shivamoga, Tarikere, Hasan. Sir, every day the rogue elephants are moving for searching food and they are destroying the crops. And not only that, they are going to kill the people who are working in the field. This is on one side. On the other side, the drinking problem which the people are facing. The Bangalore sewage water is going to be lifted and send it to Chikbalapur, Kolar for the purpose of human consumption. Sir, the water that has been used by this water, your good self knows a certificate has been given by the department concerned that it is not usable for consumption. That also your good self knows it. I don't want to make any comment on that. Situation is very complicated. I don't know how to solve the problem. I will leave it to the Honorable Prime Minister as well as to the Honorable Chief Minister. Mr. Sir, you are strong enough to handle this. Please see that you do what best you can to find a solution for the farmers who are dying every day on account of the rogue elephants. On the other side, the elephants are searching for food because of the forest area is going to be merged by the irrigation dams. This is the position. I want to just bring it to your kind notice. It is a vast issue. Hours together we can speak, but you have cautioned me. You have given me only limited time. Thank you very much for having given me this much time to express my views, particularly on this very important subject. Thank you very much, sir.
बहुत धन्यवाद।